Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Today I'm going to be unassembling this cube and reassembling it. So this is my third main. It's really easy to break apart stuff. That's why I picked it. I'm only going to be doing the white side or else my dad might be get mad at me. So he might let me do the rest of the cube if he sees the video. So yeah. Dang. I accidentally just popped off a center cap. And I did something. I have no idea what I did, but I did it. I get what I did. If I put this on here. Flip. Okay, I won't be able to put the center caps on until I make this. Until I do this. Until I put in one piece. Okay, so now if I second, okay, I'll just do this. So let's put in. Let's look at this. So here, there. But this piece is hard to get in, but I can get it in. Just give me a second. Okay, got it in, and now let's do this. Wait a second. So. Almost done. Just gotta get these last two pieces in. Actually, the last two right now because if you count the center cap as a piece, yeah. There. Oh, dang. Got it. I'll put, so this cube is $40. It is the GAN 635M, I'm pretty sure. It's the newest GAN cube that came out. So just, I set it up so it's super fast. So you got one turn. It's 3. That's 4. Okay, gotta go. Bye.